get all kind of eating problems, all kind of digestion problems. They can be vomiting, they can have a bad sensitive stomach, they can have problems eating, or they can be hysterical eaters. They get problems with digestion. We also do that. Diarrhea can be seen very fast, or loose stools. For instance, if dogs have been playing and having a good time, they might have loose stools just 10 minutes later. Don't worry about that then. It's just a sign that the dog was a little high. Don't worry about it. Don't run to the vet, because vets have no idea about stress. So, any questions about that?